Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to make money on Farfetch. Let's say how to join the Farfetch affiliate program. Of course, to make money. Let's get right into it. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to definitely launch your Farfetch web application. Of course, you need to create an account for you to get started. And how do you do that? Launch any browser of your choice. Right here, I'm using Google Chrome. And then in the search bar, which is usually at the top corner of your screen, go ahead and type Farfetch. It's going to take you to the official website. At the top right corner, you're going to find an option for you to get started or to sign up or to create an account, whichever one. Go ahead and follow through with all of the processes step by step to create an account. And once you have created an account, ta-da, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have a great shopping experience. So right here on Farfetch, you can shop till you drop, literally. So now you see, Farfetch is a shopping website. You know where it says enjoy 30% off your new wardrobe. So here you can definitely get anything you want. In the category of women clothing, men clothing, ski clothing. So what exactly you're looking for in Farfetch? You can definitely find anything. All right, and prices actually fair, cost effective, budget friendly. So you can go ahead and start your online shopping on Farfetch. So here are brands that they work with and clothing, shoes. They also sell shoes. They sell bags. They sell accessories. They sell jewelries. They sell homeware and all of this stuff. Now you can go all the way down and you're definitely going to see samples of what exactly you can definitely buy on Farfetch. You see that new shoe feeling. Thank you. I think I really like this shoe that is really showing on my screen. And just scroll down. Oh, these shoes. I love shoes. Okay, so just keep scrolling down and you're gonna see a lot of items. Just a lot of items. And I don't even know that I really like shoes, and that's why they're just displaying shoes everywhere on the homepage. It actually makes me feel really good. So I'm just taking you down, because all I want to let you know is that apart from giving Farfetch some money by buying their products on your platform, Farfetch is also letting you know that, hey, you too can also make money. And it's pretty much not a big deal. It's not a big deal. Just sign up to the affiliate program for Farfetch and you'll be good to go. So that was why I patiently took you down here so you can see how you can sign up for the affiliate program and get started. Now, right here, you're going to see customer service. You're going to find about Farfetch and you're going to find discount and membership. Now, if you go ahead and click on this affiliate program, which is the first thing you're going to see there, is going to take you to this fantastic homepage. Now it says, we're looking for innovative, fashion-forward, stylish website. And so what are the benefits to actually join the affiliate program? It's free to join, 30-day quickie window, commission on all approved global sales, daily product fees to support a variety of currencies, competitions and giveaways, and regular newsletter about new products, arrivals, new boutique features and offers. Now, if you want to actually be a part of this affiliate program directly on the Farfetch website, as you can see, scroll the way down, you're going to see, okay, this is if you want to read about Farfetch, that's up to you. But if you check the right corner, you're going to see join the affiliate program and how do you join the affiliate program. It says join the affiliate program and then it says join as a Farfetch boutique. It's affiliate program that I'm actually interested in. Now, what is the requirement? Email us the name and URL of your website or blog, and we'll review your site and respond to your email within 7 days with further information on how to join the affiliate program. And this is the mail. So this is how you can go about this directly in Farfetch. But then if something tells you that, no, there is more, I can actually wait for 7 days. Oh my God, I just really want to start selling Farfetch products. I just want to start making money immediately. How do I get it done immediately? I cannot wait for the 7 days. I can start mailing people the URL of my website. I'm very good. I don't have a website or a blog that I want to promote this on. I just want to look for a platform where I can actually promote this and get done with my affiliate marketing. I just want you to breathe because I actually have a solution to your problem. And what's that solution? We're actually going to use the service of a third-party browser or third-party affiliate marketing website. And that third-party website is what we call Partnerize. Partnerize, always turning up every time. So this is Partnerize. Welcome to Partnerize. Now, I didn't join Partnerize just magically or just welcome to Partnerize. Of course, I created an account. And how to do that is pretty much simple. You see, partnerize.com from your browser. In the search bar, type that. It's going to take you to the official page. Follow through all the processes and create an account. And once you create an account, it's going to take you to this fantastic dashboard. It's simple. So I did not just wake up to having an account on Partnerize. Okay, so here we go. This is Partnerize. And here Partnerize actually have really amazing features. I'm just going to walk you through it. So here, dashboard, campaigns, tracking, content, analytics, payment. Partnerize actually partner with thousands of brands, and they actually make it easier for you to access the affiliate programs of different global brands. And you can definitely find Farfetch here, which is really one amazing advantage or perk. It just makes it easier for us. So the top corner, go ahead and click on campaigns. You're going to see dashboard, campaigns, tracking, content, analytics, and payments. Click on campaigns. And once you click on campaigns, right here, as you can see, one campaign is going on Wise. So right here, you're going to see join campaigns. If this is actually your first time on Partnerize, which I'll actually say it's your first time, you're not going to see any of that. This is something I just recently worked on. All right, but this is just going to be empty. You're going to find your campaigns and commissions. You're also going to find join campaigns. So go ahead and click on join campaigns. It's very important for you to click on join campaigns. And once you click on that, head over to the left corner of your screen where you see filters. Just on the filters, you're going to see the search bar. Now in the search bar, type Farfetch. And ta-da! We actually have a search. We actually have a campaign going on. So go ahead and click on this Farfetch hyperlink. All right, there it's just going to take you to this homepage. So right here are all the details around Farfetch. The contact email, the address, and then the clothing, apparel, the promotional countries, all the countries, of course, involved in this, and then the program description. And here it says the campaign. So Farfetch will review your application and notify you of their decision. Now, if approved, you will be able to access tracking links and promotional content. You may contact Farfetch directly for help with your application. Now, invited and available. So they actually have 12 campaigns available. So where exactly do you want to push this out? So because as you can see, these campaigns are actually location based. So we have Farfetch Australia, Farfetch Canada, Farfetch China region, and just have to scroll down to see all of these available. So this is Farfetch USA. Okay, so which do you want? I'm just going to have to select this. All right, so you can select as many as you can depending on your capacity or your capability. So this is Farfetch USA. I'm just going to have to click on that. And then here, you're going to have to also click on this view terms and conditions. You have to click on that. And once you click on view terms and conditions, all of these conditions, it's very necessary and important that you read through the requirements if you want to sign up for any affiliate program so that you can know if it is actually worth the risk. So this is it. So read all of this, and once you read them, just go ahead and close it and then click on this checkbox to show that you have actually read the terms and conditions, because if you do not check that, then you will not be able to join the selected campaign. So I clicked on Farfetch here. Like I said, you can click on as many campaigns as possible depending on what exactly you can do. Now go ahead and click on join selected campaigns, and like we read, they said Farfetch will review your application and notify you of their decision. Now, some brands actually respond immediately, like Wise, while some brands take a longer time, like they take days for them to respond to you. I do not know the behavior of Farfetch, but then let's see if we have been accepted. So how do you find out that you have been accepted? The same process. Go to the top corner and go ahead and click on campaigns. Now, once you click on campaigns, if you have been accepted or if your application has been accepted by Farfetch, you're definitely going to find it under here in this window where it says this is why. So under here, you're going to find Farfetch to show that yes, you have been approved. And then you're going to see this tag that says participating to show that you're already participating in the campaign. Okay, so over here is tracking. So go ahead and click on track. And this is where you can get your tracking link. All right, so you cannot just copy any link and say you want to share. So this is where you can get a tracking link. And what do you use a tracking link for? This is a link that you can send to your friends and people. You can post on any of the social media site. Click on it. Once you have created your tracking link, copy it and post it anywhere, and then that track link is going to direct them to Farfetch website. And then once they make any buying decision that is favorable, then you get your commission for it. So this is Wise. Let's say, for example, we have been accepted, and let's say, for example, this is Wise. This Wise now is Farfetch. We're gonna have to click on that circle right there. So we've not been accepted by Farfetch yet, but let's say Wise is Farfetch, right? So click on that, and now here it says tracking link for, let's say, Farfetch, and then this is the tracking link. So all you need to do is to go ahead and click on copy, and then if you think that this is too long, just go ahead and click on generate and copy so that they can make the URL shorter. As you can see, it's shorter now. So go ahead and click on this copy icon right here, and it will be copied. So they'll say your link has been copied. So that link now you can share it to anywhere you want to share it around the world, and that will be it. So this is actually analytics. In analytics, you can definitely analyze everything, that all the activities going on with your tracking link or with your campaign. So here, got it. So here you're going to find the number of clicks that you've gotten, conversions, conversion items, total order value, commission. You're going to find all of this data there. And right here in content, I saw that I skipped that. You're going to find your content overview of your campaign. All right, the campaign, the image, and anything that you do right here in the campaign, you're going to find them all here. And then this is payments. So here is where you see your pending payment, approved, confirmed, available, and you can click on this withdraw button to actually withdraw. Let's go back to dashboard. So this is pretty much the process. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. This is how you can definitely push Farfetch to the world as an affiliate marketer. I hope this tutorial actually helped you search.